The Vossloh SF03 rail milling machine in operation in Denmark. From January to May 2023, the machine was deployed on the BaneDanmark network. 112 night shifts were worked in succession, like here in Fredericia. The heavy traffic there had led to defects, such as squats and head checks, which were reliably eliminated by milling with a removal rate of up to 1.5 millimeters. In addition, new rails were processed with a removal rate of up to 0.5 millimeters. Some 2.5 kilometers of track were milled per shift. Over 280 kilometers all told are now back in top shape again.